In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Zen Browser, and I'll do it in a way that works even if you can't read the current language. Let's get started. First, open Zen Browser on your computer. Look for the three-dot menu button in either the top left or top right corner of the browser window, depending on your layout. Click it. In the menu that appears, look for the gear icon. Even if the text next to it is in a language you don't recognize, the gear icon always represents settings. Click the gear icon to open the settings page. Once you're inside settings, you'll need to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you find a section marked with a symbol that contains a large A along with a kanji. This is the language section. Now look for the language drop-down menu. Click on it. A list of available languages will appear. Depending on your current language, the text may look different in the browser, but the drop-down with the languages should not be a problem. Since language names are usually displayed in their native form, you can often recognize your preferred language even if the rest of the browser is in a different language. Scroll through the list and find the language you want to use. Select your desired language from the list. Zen Browser may apply the change immediately, or it may ask you to restart the browser. If prompted, restart Zen Browser to complete the language change. The interface should appear in your selected language now. This method is especially useful if you accidentally switched languages or installed Zen Browser in a language you don't understand because it relies on icons and visual markers rather than reading menu text. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Zen Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Zen Browser tutorials, customization guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.